How to fight cervical cancer. Natural treatment to fight cervical cancer is rooted in eliminating toxins, helping the organs that clean the body and making the body more alkaline. Learn more about this here. A tumor is a biological defense process, like a waste bin, for when the body's systems of expulsion don't function properly or are overloaded. Many things can have influence on these systems, like food, bodily contamination, emotional problems, etc. In the case of cervical cancer, the cancer cells are located in the tissues of the uterine wall and other parts of the uterus. Natural treatment, just like medical treatment, consists of eliminating toxins, and helping the organs which clean your body, like the liver, kidneys, and intestines, in addition to alkalinizing and oxygenating the body, since tumors can only survive in an acidic environment. Toxins. The first step consists of eliminating toxins and pathogens, viruses, parasites, fungi, bad bacteria, since all of these things can make your body ill. This step isn't easy, because there are a lot of pathogens that can live in your body for a long time and feed off of toxins, and they can be very resistant to treatment. Before you start treatment, it's very important to eliminate all of the foods from your body that can cause you to have more toxins. Artificial additives, like colorants or preservatives. Saccharin. Bleached sugar. Monosodium glutamate, commonly called message, a flavoring found in powdered soup mix, certain Asian foods, pre-cooked meals, etc. Trans fats, in things such as margarine, industrially made sweets, etc. There are some foods and supplements that, if you take them daily, can help you a lot. Pumpkin seeds, which help eliminate toxins. Garlic, we recommend the Tibetan garlic cure. Grapefruit seed extract. Alga chlorella. There are also certain herbal supplements that you can take. Intestinal bacteria. Once you have cleaned out your system, you should try to increase the amount of good intestinal bacteria that you have, because they may have been damaged or wiped out, and also to increase the defense that you have in your intestines. You can find intestinal bacteria supplements at an herbalist shop or dietitian. Intestinal bacteria will help you protect your body better against pathogens. Eliminating organs. Your body tends to clean itself in a natural manner and eliminate all of the things that you don't need or that are causing you harm, but sometimes it can't do the work if it has been damaged or if there are too many toxic substances. You can help it in its function, however, not only by making sure that you aren't taking in any toxins as we talked about before, but also with the use of medicinal plants. You can take them in the form of infusions, 3 a day, or in extracts, as long as you consult with your doctor first. For the liver, milk thistle, bolto, dandelion. For the intestine, flaxseed. For the kidneys, greater burdock, dandelion, horsetail. The lungs require clean air, regular exercise, and good breathing habits in order to stay healthy. Clay poultices. In order to directly eliminate toxins from the uterine area and from the entire abdomen in general, we recommend that you use clay poultices and leave them on the area overnight. In order to make these poultices, mix clay with water until you have a smooth paste. Apply it to your abdomen and cover it with a pair of cloths. In the morning, the clay will have become dry, as it has been extracting toxins from the body. You can remove the clay with lukewarm water and apply a bit of almond oil to the area so that your skin doesn't dry out. This poultice can be done by any person, and it is a great way to maintain your health and prevent illness, in addition to helping you maintain good intestinal function. Nutrition. In addition to following the above remedies, it's important to make sure that your cells are healthy in order to fight against cervical cancer. Here are some foods that are very beneficial. Orange. Make sure that you buy organic oranges so that you can use the peel as a zest for salads, creams, pastries, etc. Lemon. You can flavor your food with a squeeze of lemon juice. Grapefruit. Cabbage. You could grate or shred it and leave it to mix for a few hours with oil, apple cider vinegar, and sea salt for a nice dressing. Broccoli. Turmeric. Add a spoonful to your stews, soups, or dressings. Millet. This grain is very alkalinizing and also helps digestion. Raw garlic. Shiitake and reishi mushrooms. Kudzu, an intestinal regulator. Supplements. Several natural supplements are very good at fighting cervical cancer. Kalanchodegramontiana, a plant also known as mother of thousands. Vitamin C. Proteolytic enzymes help prevent cancer from spreading. Preparations of beetroot. Propolis, a resin that bees make during the creation of the hive. Resveratrol. Foods to avoid. It's equally as important to avoid all harmful foods as it is to eat those containing anti-carcinogenic properties. Here are some foods that you should try to cut out of your diet. Sugars. Refined grains, white bread, white pasta, white rice. Table salt, you could substitute sea salt or Himalayan rock salt. Red meats, milk products, peanuts,